Hello everyone. Here the topic is nerve impulse. Here the wave-like signals that pass the information from one part of the body to the other part and are conducted through neurons because of certain chemicals and electrical changes in the neurons are known as nerve impulse. Direction of nerve impulse. Within a neuron, the nerve impulses are always carried by dendrite toward the cell body. The cell body transfers the impulse to axon, which conducts the impulse away from the cell body through axon terminals. The axon terminals come in contact with the dendrites of another neurons or muscular cells, muscle cells or glands and pass the information in the form of electrical and chemical signal. These points of cells or glands and pass information in the form of electrical or chemical signals. These are contacts are highly specialized cell and are named differently based upon the sites of contact. These are synapses. These are synapses. It is a site where the axon ending of one neurons come close to the dendrites of another neurons. Neuromuscular junction. It is the point of contact at which the axon ending of a neuron communicate with the muscle cell. It is also known as motor end plate. Transmission of nerve impulse. The nerve impulse passes through a neuron in two ways, either electrically or chemically. Chemical transmission is more common and take place through chemical release at the synapse. The end of the axon terminals are known as synaptic knob. The membranes of these knobs do not touch the membrane of the other nerve cell but are separated by a narrow space called synaptic cleft. The nerve impulse traveling down the axon releases the neurotransmitter acetylcholine into the cleft through synaptic knob. It crosses the gap and generates excitation in the second neurons. As a result, nerve impulse is transmitted to the second neuron also. The nerve impulse is conducted across the synapse by the release of acetylcholine. After the conduction, acetylcholine is broken down by enzyme acetylcholine esterase. This occurs to ensure that nerves do not get continuously stimulated. Otherwise, organism may suffer from convulsion, tremors and paralysis, possibly leading to death.